In this video I show you a secret plumbing trick for unclogging a clogged drain in seconds. Because in the kitchen you know it's certainly also that the drain no longer flows so well over time. This is mainly due to the fact that small food scraps or grease get into the drain every now and then, which naturally deposit here and clog the drain more and more. At some point it no longer flows off so nicely, or it simply takes much longer, but instead of unscrewing the entire drain or calling in a handyman, this ingenious handyman trick can really help you, which many plumbers actually use. The first thing we do is take out the strainer, and then we use regular dishwashing liquid. And now we pour a really large amount of it down the drain. That means at least half a package of washing up liquid. Dishwashing liquid has a grease dissolving effect and can therefore ensure that all the deposits dissolve nicely in our drain. And the quantity ensures that there is now something of the dishwashing detergent everywhere. So we should then let the whole thing soak in for at least 10 minutes. When you've done that, the next step should be to put the plug back in and take it down completely. And then let the whole thing fill up with really nice hot water. So now we're going to see that we run it until just the entire sink is full of the hot water. Once that's done, we can now open up the drain again so that all of the water here drains out, taking all of the dishwashing liquid with it, along with all of the grease deposits and food residue. Once the water is out, you should also rinse again for 2 to 3 minutes with really nice hot water, so that everything is really dissolved here. And our drain is completely free again afterwards. And once you've done that, then your clogged drain should be unclogged again, and it will drain really nicely again in the future as it should. Try the whole thing out for yourself as well. Would you also like to know why you should put a condom over your faucet? Then take a look at this video which I linked to you here. You will make me really happy if you click the like button and subscribe to my channel.